Imagine owning a 1,000-year-old ship. It's falling apart now, but back in the days it was the pinnacle of naval magnificence. As the ship keeps losing bits and pieces, you think to yourself, why should you let your magnum opus die a slow death and get reduced to nothing but a pile of lumber? So you decide to keep replacing a plank every time one falls out. This continues, and you eventually replace every plank, every mast, and every sail on the ship. What happens now? Does it remain the same ship anymore? The same ship which has been through fierce battles of yore and daring adventures around the world? Or just a cheap knockoff that anyone from IKEA can assemble? What exactly determines the identity of the ship? Its rich history of being an all time great? Or its current trivial constitution? The past or the present? This is the famed Ship of Theseus paradox, first illustrated by Greek philosopher Plutarch. It's centered around the legendary ship of the Greek hero Theseus, who slew the monster Minotaur. In an effort to commemorate this incredible feat, the followers of Theseus kept replacing each plank as it decayed by fresh, new timber. The ramifications of the paradox divided the ancient Greek intelligentsia into two oppositely opinionated schools of thought. Some philosophers felt that replacing even one plank changed the entire ship irreversibly. Others felt that the presence of even one original plank kept the identity of the ship intact. It raised several pertinent questions about the true nature of identity, most of which have the greatest minds in the world still pondering about it. A similar analogy can be extended to human life as well. As we grow old, we are exposed to a variety of factors which shape and influence our lives to the extent that we become entirely different people than the ones we were born as. The average person changes careers 5-6 times in a lifetime. Since a lot of our personalities are shaped by work cultures and the people we meet there, that becomes a pretty significant number. We grow out of old relationships and get into new ones. We fall in love with different people, and most importantly, we grow along the way. This paradox questions the very nature and extent of that growth and how much of it should matter while determining identity. So, which you is the real you? The crass, reckless youngster fresh out of college 10 years back? Or the immaculate corporate honcho who sits at his desk and laughs about how foolish he was back in the day? Unfortunately, there is no right answer. If you want more content like this, subscribe to Explified.